Hi, in this video, we will see continue statement in Java. So what do you mean by continue statement? So continue statement is mostly used inside loops. Whenever it is encountered inside a loop, control directly jumps to the beginning of the loop for next iteration. So continue statement normally we will use inside the loops. Whenever there is a continue statement, then control directly jumps to the starting point of your loop execution. Okay, next iteration it will go. And skipping the execution of statement inside the loop's body for the current iteration. So after continue, if you have some other statements, so it will skip executing those statements and it will directly jump into the next iteration. So that is the use of continue. This is particularly useful when you want to continue the loop, but do not want the rest of the statements in loop body to execute for that particular iteration. So for a particular iteration, so for a particular condition, you don't want to continue, entire statement should be to be executed. Okay, so you don't want to be executed all the statements for a particular condition. So that time you can use continue, then it will skip remaining statements and it will continue the executing next iteration. Okay, so we'll see by taking one example. So there are two types of continue statements. One is unlabeled continue, the second one is labeled continue. So unlabeled means simple normal continue. The syntax looks like this: continue and then semicolon. Okay, but labeled continue is a bit different. So in this video we will discuss about normal continue, means unlabeled continue. In our next video we will discuss labeled continue. Okay, let's go to the Visual Studio Code. So I have created a class called continue demo. Inside this I will write a for loop. Okay, for int I is equals to 0 or 1, whatever it is. I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. So here what I'm doing, from 1 to 10 I'm just trying to print. Okay, standard.println, I will print I. Okay, so first we will see how the output looks like for this. Okay, let me execute this first. Java continue demo.java. You see that it is printing from 1 to 10. This is very normal. But my condition is, inside the for loop, my condition is, for a specific condition, I don't want to print the I value. Okay, I don't want to continue the rest of the code execution. So if I is greater than 4 and I is less than 9, for this condition, okay, for these conditions means if I is greater than 4 and I is less than 9, means it is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. For these numbers, I don't want to print the I value. So for that purpose, I'll use continue. That's it. What exactly happens here? So first time I is equals to 1. So I is greater than 4, no. Then I don't need to verify for this condition, and means both the conditions should be true. So one is false. Like 1 is not greater than 4. So it will not go inside this. So it will execute this value. So it will print 1. The next time I plus plus means 1. Sorry, 1 plus plus 2. 2 is greater than 4? No. So it will not go inside this. So continue will not execute. Then out of that if condition, then it will print 2. Then 3 greater than 4? No. Then again 3 it will print. 4 greater than 4? No, false. So it will not go inside this, it will print 4. Now 5 greater than 4? Yes. And 5 less than 9? Yes, both are true. Then go inside this continue. The moment when it is, see the continue statement, it will not go to execute the next rest of the statements. It will directly jump to the starting point of the iteration. So 5 will become 6. For 6 also same true. Then it will terminate. It will see the continue, and it will not execute the rest of the statements. It will go here 6 plus 7, same thing. 8, same thing. But coming to the 9, 9 is greater than 4, that is fine. But 9 is not less than 9, so it is false. So it will not go inside this. So it will come out of that. It will print 9. Then for the 10 also, same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. It will print. Okay. So let me execute this. You see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 skipped, and 9, 10. Right. That's how continue will work. Continue means the moment when it see the continue, it will directly jump to the starting point of your iteration execution, loop iteration. It will not execute rest of the statements in the program. Okay. That is what continue statement in Java. Okay. So this is unlabeled. So what could be the possible interview questions? What is continue statement in Java? So what is labeled continue statement in Java? So labeled continue we will discuss in our next video. Okay. That's all in this video. Thank you.